the Banana Split Show with Legal, Snorky, Trooper, and Bingo.
Hey, Flegel, will you please check the mail?
I'm on it. Whoa! Airmail!
Did you hear the one about the broken pencil? Don't bother. It's pointless.
Hey, Drew,
Right here, Bing.
what do cows like to do first thing in the morning? Read the newspaper.
Hey, Snore, where does a cat keep her clothes? In a closet.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Koala.
Koala who?
Koala tea jokes like these are hard to come by.
And now it's time for Dear Drooper.
Okay, let's see whom I can help today. Well, here's one from Animal Lover. Dear Drooper, my family is going on an African safari. Can you tell me how to stop a rhino from charging? That's easy, Annie. Just take away the rhino's credit card.
Now that's funny. Unless you're a rhinoceros, of course.
Hey, Snorkster, do you know how to make a rhino float? 2 scoops of ice cream, a little soda, and 1 willing rhino.
Dear Drooper, I have to tell a joke in front of my whole class, but I don't feel funny. What should I do? Just before you tell the joke, put some banana pudding in your shoe. Trust me, when you're standing in front of everyone, you'll feel funny.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you glad I didn't say banana?
Hey, Snorky, which month never stands still? March.
Hey, Trooper, what did the mother bee tell her naughty children?
I have no idea.
Behave yourself!
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Turnip.
Turnip who?
Turn up the music and let's dance.
Maybe I should sit down. This could take a while.
The secret word is hello.
Hey, you Snark. What did the banana do when it saw the ice cream? It split.
Wait till you hear this one, Banana Bug. Which drink always comes to the rescue? Lemonade. Hey, Bingo. Which animal talks all the time? A yakety yak.
Hey, Drooper, you don't by chance know the secret word, do you?
I think it's...
What? What? I still can't hear you. What did you say?
I said, I think the secret word is pillow.
want?
It's written in code. We need the secret code wheel. Set it on red, same color as the paper. First, it's a rectangle.
A globe.
Snorky says that might also be the world.
What's next?
Exclamation point. Well, that looks like peas.
Yummy, pass the peas.
Say please.
Hey, Droop, maybe the record company wants you to write a song about vegetables.
So the secret message is globe vegetables.
Doesn't sound quite right, does it?
World vegetables?
World peas. World peas.
World peace.
I love it. A song about world peace.
Nothing better to sing about than everyone everywhere becoming banana buds.
And banana-tastic. Hey, Droop, can you still write a song about vegetables later? Maybe carrots. Celery? Cucumbers, maybe. Or how about,
I'll get it.
Oh, it's from the record company.
I bet it's written in secret code.
This should tell us. Snorky, would you please get the secret code wheel?
Come on, Snork.
Set the wheel on blue.
First shape is a square.
That's a bunch of grapes. Delish.
Next is a heart.
And you gotta have heart, right, Fleet?
Right.
That's a desk. Great desk.
The last two shapes are the same. Ovals.
Or eggs. Delicious, nutritious eggs. What? Snorky and I were heading out to breakfast when the mysterious messenger knocked.
Bingo. It's a bat and a ball.
Snorky thinks that's a hit. So 2 in a row would mean hits.
And if we put all the words together,
Grape,
Desk.
hits,
grape desk hits. Grape desk hits.
greatest hits. The record company wants to release a greatest hits CD. You know, one with all our favorite songs.
What a great idea. Grape juice. Grape jam. Grape jelly. Oh, grape.
Look, it's a note from the record company.
What do you think they want?
It's written in code. We need the secret code wheel, Snark. Set it on red, same color as the paper. The first shape is a hexagon. Looks like a hole.
A whole what?
A whole hole.
Next, a circle.
That is a bathtub.
Hole? Tub?
Oh. Hole, tub,
And last but not least, a star.
isn't that our tour bus?
Whole tub bus. Whole tub bus.
Let's see.
Hold the bus!
It's no secret. Those splits are bananas.